Good morning and good morning. We are at Coco K this morning. I am going to start working on my booty pump. So I'm going to show you what exercises I do in case you want to start it with me. So I've learned through my years to work on my glute med, which is the muscle that's underneath my gluteus maximus. And so we're going to work on that, and then we're going to work on our gluteus maximus to pump up our glute, our gluteus maximus. So here we go. I'm going to show you what I do. And you can do it anytime. You can do it while you're watching TV, while you're laying on the bed. You just think about it. Just do it because it doesn't take but a few minutes. But I am going to show you what that is to work on your glute med. We will start by doing the clamshells. Lie down on your right side with your knees stacked on top of one another. Your legs should create a 90-degree angle. Lift your left knee, keeping your feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's flip over. We are going to do the same exercise on the left side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While we're on this side, we're going to straighten out your legs, feet together, and just your right leg, lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember to keep the glutes engaged. Last exercise for the glute med. We're going to flip over. We're going to be on our right side now. Legs straight. Lift that left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When we're done, that is the exercise for the glute med.